Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about ZHAOJIN Mining interim report. ZHAOJIN Mining Industry Company Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services across three main segments: gold operations, copper operations, and others. The company provides exploration and mining of gold and other metallic products, processing and smelting of gold, and copper sale of $0.9999 and $0.9995 gold bullions under the ZHAOJIN brand name, material trading activities, engineering design and development services, land exploration services, copper mining and smelting technical advisory services, financial services, catering services. ZHAOJIN Mining's stock price has skyrocketed by over 117% in the past year due to several key factors. The primary driver behind this surge is the upward trend in international gold prices, which have reached record highs fueled by global economic uncertainty and central bank purchases of safe haven assets. Additionally, ZHAOJIN Mining has demonstrated strong financial performance with substantial increases in revenue and net profit, driven by rising gold production and a gross margin improvement. The company's advancement of its Sea Area Gold Mine project, Asia's largest single gold mine, is also a significant operational development that will contribute to the company's profitability once fully operational. Furthermore, ZHAOJIN Mining's commitment to future growth through its gold resource multiplication plan aims to increase resource reserves and drive capacity expansion. Finally, positive sentiment from financial analysts has contributed to the stock's appreciation, with buy ratings and increased target prices citing factors such as geopolitical tensions and new projects as catalysts for continued growth. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline in the company's financial performance can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth is primarily driven by a significant increase in gold production from mines, 13.77%, higher gold sales prices and volume, and substantial increases in gold operations and sales revenue. Specifically, gold segment revenue increased by 24.3% to RMB 1,026,522, while gold sales rose by 94% to $4.8 billion. On the other hand, revenue decline is mainly attributed to a decrease in gold output from smelting and tolling arrangements, minus 3.08%, and a decline in copper segment revenue, minus 46.6%. Net income and profit margins. A significant shift. The financial summary reveals a substantial increase in net income, rising by 144.58% to RMB billion, 776,694,000. This significant growth can be attributed to various factors, although the exact reasons are not specified. A notable improvement is seen in gross profit margins, which increased from 42.72% to 43.74%. However, there is no mention of a change in net profit margin. The increase in gross profit margin suggests that the company has become more efficient in its operations and cost management, leading to higher profitability. The company is indeed generating positive operating cash flow. This is evident from the financial summary, which explicitly states that the company is producing a positive operating cash inflow. Furthermore, the detailed breakdown on pages 29 and 33 of the report confirms this assertion. The operating cash inflow for 2025 stands at RMB 2,251,368, while the cash generated from operations totals RMB 2,665,398. Additionally, the net cash flows from operating activities are reported as a positive RMB 2,281,794. These figures collectively demonstrate that the company is successfully generating positive operating cash flow. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes. The total debt has increased by approximately RMB 404 million, while short-term debt has risen by around RMB 0.884 billion. However, the total non-current liabilities have decreased by about RMB 339 million. In terms of interest expenses, finance costs have decreased by 4.36%, and interest paid has also declined by around RMB 36.9 million. These changes suggest that while the company's debt level has increased, its interest expenses have actually decreased, indicating a potential improvement in financial management. The company's financial performance varied across different segments and regions. Notably, the gold operations stood out as a strong performer, with significant revenue and segment results. The others category also showed positive results. On the other hand, copper operations struggled, resulting in substantial losses in both segment results and revenue. This poor performance was evident despite efforts to improve. Management is emphasizing innovation-driven growth to expand the company's capacity and production. They are also streamlining assets, improving efficiency through cost control and technological innovation, and hedging against commodity price fluctuations. Furthermore, they are investing in unlisted equity investments and wealth management products to diversify their portfolio. This strategy aims to drive growth while managing risks and optimizing returns. The company has a history of paying dividends. In 2024, it was confirmed that the company paid out dividends, page 42. Additionally, in 2025, although not explicitly stated, the company listed a dividend payment of RMB 318,628 on page 34, indicating another year of dividend distribution. That concludes the financial summary for ZHAOJIN Mining. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.